Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Tonight we will do presentation our discussion about project RFID KFN package. First of all, I will to introduce our team. I am Dini Andriani, a moderator, and Diki Ferdiansyah, leader, and Mita Octavia Syadari, Taufan Perdana, Tanto Wijaya, Jeremy Togito, and Muhammad Iqbal. Okay. Next, to explain about RFID reader by Mita.
Okay. RFID reader is a tool for reading RFID text, which is often called an integrator and is an important device in an RFID system. Radio frequency identification is a method of storing and retrieving data via radio waves using equipment called RFID tags or transponders. The data transmitted can be in the form of codes that aim to identify a particular object. The material used are 1 mega 2560 and RMT 01. Next, pin mapping. Pin 1, definition, GND, description, ground. Pin 2, enable. The enable pin serves as a control pin to enable or disable the module. Pin 3, pin 3, RX to receiving serial data to microcontroller. Pin 4, TX, to send serial data to the microcontroller. Next, VCC as a voltage source. Next, this is specification RMT 01, tag reading distance 1 until 2.5 meter. To recording distance 10 centimeter, working voltage 3.3 until 5 volt. Next, this This is the cable that connects to the RMT. Next, how we program using the Arduino application. Use application Arduino Uno. This is procedure reader. Start. Next, prepare tools and material. Next, connecting Arduino and RMT using a cable. Next, checking using a multimeter. So yes, next, creating a program using the Arduino. Next, running program. Next, antenna reading with RMT and Arduino, and finish. Next, RFID antenna.
RFID antenna is a device that radiates or receives the radio waves between the reader and the test. The antenna's shape, size, and material affect its performance and switchability for different applications. The antenna main parameters are gain, bandwidth, and efficiency. Next. Next. This is the substrate. Following is the substrate of RFID antenna. We use FR4 material with a thickness of 1.5 millimeter. Okay, next. After we make a design, the next step is to determine the frequency. Start from 910 until 1 gigahertz. This is the procedure of to making a design. The first is determine the design antenna characteristic, working frequency and gains, and then determine the conductivity pelvis of skin, and next determine the size and shape of the antenna. Next, simulate with the ADS 2020 applications. And then make the frequency work. Start from 814 till 1 gigahertz. Next, making antenna dessert size and shape. Next step is antenna measurement using discrete and attached frequency, linear APS. Next, measurement results are in according with the simulation results. If no, making antenna of the desired size and shape. If yes, is the progress, the procedure is end. Okay, next. This is the RFID antenna printing will be explained by Tanto.
Ulang apa? Slide-nya balik lagi. Nita. RFID antenna printing. The first step to printing a PCB is to transfer the design to a film star photoplatter. Next slide, lamination process. Next, UV expose and etching process. Next, black hole SP process. Next slide, tin plating process. Next slide, drilling process.
Next, RFID assembly will be presented by me. QFN packaging and parts. A KFN package is a leadless package of surface mounting technology. The main part of a KFN package are lead frame, wire bond, and molding component. Next, the assembly process we use is wire bond. Wire bond is a method of creating interconnection between integrated circuit or other semiconductor device and their packaging during semiconductor device fabrication. The material is aluminum, copper, silver, and gold. This is a flowchart of making a assembly chip. Start from cleaning antenna and chip. Next, cut on the chip antenna. Next, die bond antenna and chip by using epoxy silver in the PCB. Next, dyeing or hardening epoxy using an oven. Next, wire bonding. Next, test red chip with RMT01. Next, if reader can read chip, we can back to cut on the chip antenna. If reader can read chip, we can next step to glue top, next cover and finish. This is silver frame mounting to antenna. Wait. This is wire bond process testing to silver frame. The wire bond to silver frame test aims to test whether the silver frame can be wire bond or not. Next, this is a process wire bond silver frame with chip or die. Before wire bonding, the chip is attached using silver epoxy. Then a silver frame is attached to the chip. The silver frame is attached to the chip so that the chip can be wire bond. Next can be presented with Jeremy.
Next presentation, epoxy globe top. Epoxy globe top. The globe top process is carried out using globe top epoxy. The epoxy is dripped on the chip that has been wire bonded. The heated in the oven at 150 degrees from 30 minutes and cool it. The purpose of the laptop is to protect the chip. Next, process X-ray. The X-ray process is carried out to see whether the wire is broken or not and to see the quality of the laptop. Next. Thank you.
Okay, please Mita to play video our project. This is a demo video about our project. Our project is still in progress. We have experienced many obstacles, lack of the first lack of reference and lack of knowledge about our project.